Hi, I'm Ron Beck, Director of Industry Marketing at Aspen Tech. With oil prices and economic conditions changing dynamically, the capital projects business has been forced to react. Three of the world's leading capital project estimators, Mike Monteith, CEO of Strategic Estimating Systems, Waymon Lofton, Regional Estimating Manager at Technip USA, and Harvey Welker, an independent consultant, talked to us about how estimators can provide their organizations with a strategic advantage and improve business processes and estimating results. Here's what they said.
Today in the marketplace, the project work is increasingly competitive. The engineering and construction companies compete on quality of product, the cost, they compete on schedule. And as we see oil prices go down and different challenges in the marketplace, we see that they are looking for what is an edge, what is a strategic advantage that they could possibly gain. What we see is that the companies that have embraced and implemented the Aspen Capital Cost Estimator, that they're able to produce their estimates much faster.
Essentially what our clients are doing is they're coming to us in response to the market. They want better answers, they want them faster, and they want you to be versatile to where you can change at any time and give them just as accurate of a number when you have a week to finish the estimate versus if you had a month to do it.
So in a traditional project execution process, the development of the estimate and the initial project documents are transferred from department to department. Oftentimes that's done manually, where the output from one program will be used to produce a paper report that then is manually input into another program. Using the Aspen suite and especially ACCE, we see the E&Cs able to make that transfer of information electronically. Not only does this save time, but it increases the accuracy dramatically.
For us, in using the Aspen Tech tools, we obviously use the simulation tools with our process group. What that's allowing us to do is engage some more with our process engineers. And by doing that, then we can actually pull information directly from the process engineers into our estimating tools. And that saves us time, makes us more efficient, and actually puts some of the decision making more in the position where it should be. So it should be the process engineer deciding if it's an ANSI pump or it's an API 610 pump that should be in our estimate. Now in our traditional estimating world, we wouldn't have had that. We would have maybe process engineering giving us an equipment list, but we would take that and put it into our spreadsheet or database, and then we'd have to do everything from scratch from it. The integration makes us more efficient, and it actually, I think, integrates and helps our different disciplines work together around a common solution.
What's so beneficial, powerful with Capital Cost Estimator is that we're coming from the same database. And when I go into a contractor's office, someone who has used the product, they use the product to prepare the estimate, we're using the same nomenclature, we're using the same database. I represent the owner, and then the contractor can speak to me in the same language. So we're not speaking Spanish and English and trying to communicate. We're all speaking the same language. So with other systems, it takes a great deal of effort to make changes, whereas with Capital Cost Estimator, it's simply a click of the mouse. And within a matter of minutes, you can redo an estimate versus days.
Certainly one of the advantages that owners see when they're executing large projects is the ability to collaborate with their E&Cs, which includes having software programs that are similar and software programs that are transferable. And the whole Aspen platform is integrated, which provides an advantage to the owners and to the E&Cs as they seek to collaborate. These mega projects oftentimes are executed in locations around the world, and the ability to communicate electronically is critical to the success of these large projects.